Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 63. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. And oh, we have an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. To finish out this box, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing a 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.